Welcome to Insurance Tales, Episode 2. Today we want to talk about a 2022 Dodge Charger that came in for repair to the rear bumper. Upon further inspection, we noticed that there was damage all down the right side. While we were writing the estimate, we spoke with the customer. Now, she had received an estimate from her insurance company for $1,100. By the time we finished our estimate, it was over $9,000. Why was that? Well, here's what happened to her car. She was stopped at a red light, and a semi-truck came up behind her and lightly bumped her on the bumper. She put her car in park and got out to check for damage. The light turned green and the truck moved on, pushing her car down the road with her two children still inside. So here's this lady, she's very pregnant at this time, running after her car because the truck is pushing it with her kids. While it was being pushed, it struck another vehicle, and finally it hit a curb and went up over the curb, damaging the front of the vehicle as well. So the insurance company called and asked, why is your estimate so high? So I asked him one question: have you reviewed the facts of the accident? And he said no, he had simply gone off a picture he received. So once he reviewed the accident, the insurance adjuster called me back and he said, wow, there was video on this accident. It's crazy what happened. Now, this customer had initially been told that since her car struck another one, that was her problem. What they didn't look at, what they didn't do with the facts, is notice that she was not driving her car. It was being pushed by a semi and she was chasing it from behind. So it's important that your body shop make sure that not only did it get all the damages, we make sure we get the story too. Because if not, she could have been stuck with a simple repair to her rear bumper when the whole right side and front of her car was damaged as well. That's why it's important. Come see us today at Collision Expertz. We'll make sure you're taken care of safely, effectively, and also with a fast job. Call us today, 915-500-4290, or come by 8914 Gateway East.